Hi, Lizzy.
Hi.
Where we be?
We're at the vet right now, and Heidi is getting her nails trimmed. She was none too happy.
No. See, there's the vet's office right there. There's a little bitty dog in the back of that car, but you can't see it because I can't flip. That's the one thing I can't wait to get a new camera that I can zoom like right in on things.
Oh, yeah.
I can't wait. And then after here we go.
We're going to the, what is it called?
I was seeing if you can remember.
See, I'm really bad about that, people.
I know. She doesn't have a good memory.
No,
That's okay. She only has to remember the important things.
Yes.
That's right.
So where is it we're going?
The Easton house.
The Easton house, people.
First we gotta go back through town because I gotta drop off my tax papers and we gotta stop at the bank and get Dad some money. And then we'll hit the road.
Yes.
Hit the road, Jack.
Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack.
And don't you come back no more. What you say?
Yeah, there's something wrong with us. Seriously. See, there was nothing wrong with me until.
Oh, hell no. She did not.
Until.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. It's all her fault.
We will be back later. We'll film
Yes.
at the Amish restaurant and around wherever. We don't know. Whenever we feel like turning it on, we'll turn it on.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.
Where are we at, Lizzy?
The Easton house.
You remembered.
I did.
You're looking at your mat, aren't you?
No, I'm not.
Oh.
No. I'm awesome like that. I remembered after the, what, 200th time.
It seats how many people?
Up 1,100.
There's stuff up there to look at.
You want to go to the bathroom, it's up there, but they got an elevator here too, dig you.
Oh, good. Loved it. It's good. I'm full.
And you? You guys are dorks.
I'm full.
There's Lizzie's aftermath. Ours is gone.
You got the bone pile, buddy.
Yeah.
There's peanut butter and apple butter. Here's where we were. Dutchman. Does Dutchman Essen house. We even brought dinner out for Heidi Ho. She got chicken. Lizzy stole it. She's too worried about where her daddy is. Heidi? No, yeah, me, no.
Oh, come on. Okay.
She just wants to lay on you. Here's the outside of the building. Amish country kitchen. It goes that way, way down there. Dad's shopping down there at the end. Hi, Heidi Ho. How you doing?
I'm gonna put the chicken.
What you doing? You looking for the daddy? Huh? Hello.
Sorry,
Hello. Snot.
I can't help it.
There's our pies to go. We got to park by the door because we have one of those. Because we're gimpy.
Gimpy people.
Yeah. We couldn't eat our pie, so I got raspberry cream. And she got
Coconut cream.
and Heidi got chicken. And Dad got coconut cream. Okay, we're going now. Now we're at the E&S bulk food store. See the horsies parked down there. That one's pulling in, always pulling out. Dad's looking for a beef jerky. And Heidi's over here with the Lizzy. She won't eat her chicken. She's being a fussy bucket.
Mm-hmm. She's being fussy.
Yeah.
Oh, well.
It rained here. And it's lightning over there in the sky, but it won't right now while I'm filming because it just hates me. We're at a complete stop. Look who's back there. Heidi's passed out down there. But we're waiting for a train that's going on forever. and ever.
And it's epic.
And ever epic.
The end.
Here comes the end. Yeah.
It's the train that never ends.
Yes.
They just don't look good without a caboose on. I don't care.
Woohoo! Now we get to go again. Yay! Oh, Heidi's getting all flustered now. Hi, Heidi. How are you coming up here? Come on.
Come on. Come on.
She gets right up on the Lizzy. Looks out the window. Okay, driving. Gotta go. It says 11:11. You can't see it though. It made me laugh after my drunk video in Chattanooga. My hair's probably going everywhere. Here I have my whip. I'm waiting for a video to render. So I'm kind of bored. It's like almost time for bed. And then once this is done, I want to check a few videos. Pass out. I gotta go to work tomorrow. Yep. I need to put my suitcase away from my trip. But still, I got my duffel bag down here. And my suitcase over there by the closet. My very unmade, misheveled bed. I love these sheets. I like to wash them and put them right back on. They're awesome. Awesome. I guess that's all. Who knows if this will ever see the light of day, but I was bored and needed something to do because I still got 60% to go. Yeah. Okay. Bye-bye. Princess? Hi there. Hi. Oh,
Different than the corned beef we had at Barks. He had the long stringy stuff.
Come here.
Turkey stuff.
Yeah,
Princess, come here. Come here.
long corned beef.
Come here, Princess.
Pieces of meat that
Hi there.
She must have cut it wrong then.
Yeah, she had
You
to.
cut corned beef against
Princess.
the grain.
She's over there hiding. Hi there.
Yeah, I said,
What you doing?
Yeah, you cut corned beef
Yeah,
against
well,
the
it
grain.
was like spaghetti, you know.
There.
long
There
thin
you
pieces.
are.
Well,
You're so
I can do
cute. Yeah.
It was good, but you had to.
There you are.
Never played.
I'm taking a video of her running around.
Go get Dino. We're gonna get Dino.
We're gonna send you to Hollywood.
Where's Dino?
Show
Where's Dino?
Jenny the
Picture?
What?
she's taking a camera.
Taking a video. Say hi.
Hi.
That's my Aunt Jenny, and this is Dan.
Hey, hello there. That don't take sound. That don't take sound, does it? No.
Yeah?
That takes sound.
Sound and everything.
Oh, that's
You're
what
kidding. Oh wow.
How do you play that at home? On a camera? Or a roller? Or big and that flat?
When you get anything
Yeah, you
wrong.
can see pictures of that. It's
Get your toy.
She sees when she wants to target the other day. It's a bigger,
Bring
it's bigger
Dino
than
on.
that,
Put
but
his
it's,
Stacy's feet, honey.
Get your toy.
Yeah, pee-pee, I think. Go pee-pee. Go pee-pee, hon.
Oh, she went in to get Dino?
Yeah, get Dino.
Get Dino well.
Get your baby. Come here.
Come on.
She loves to scratch on furniture like a cat. I think she's part cat.
Come on,
You
Princess.
think she's what?
Part cat.
So you got a cat dog.
Yeah.
Come on. Where's Dino?
What you doing?
Where's Dino? Do you miss him, babe? You were supposed to bring Dino out here. Now go get him. Show Stacy your little Dino and Neely.
Oh, smart. Hey, go get Dino in there. Go get Dino.
She loves Dino.
What's
We
Dino?
gotta see what she does with Dino.
Can you get my shoe? Want my shoe? Uh-oh, I think Dan's gonna get Dino.
Dan's gonna get
Hey,
Dan, get Dino! Get Dino!
here you go.
It's her little purple dinosaur.
She loves her purple dinosaur. She just loves it.
Dino the dinosaur.
Get it!
She'll hunt that thing for an hour. Just go somersaults with it and everything, boy. She loves that thing.
Does it squeak?
No.
Oh.
I don't know if it does or not. I never tried it.
Watch this. Okay, you're going behind the chair this time. We'll get it
Go
behind
get it
the
by
chair.
the chair.
Oh, it's gone. She'll be bringing it out here.
Bring it here.
Come on, Francis. Go get the chair. Go get it. Go get
Whoa.
it.
And she went this way.
Oh.
Don't want to get your butt.
Take it to Stacy. Take it to Stacy.
You're watching the WS
Take it to
She's so
Stacy.
cute.
channel and WS.
That's what Heidi would do, play with the foot.
She is always after Dad's feet.
Temperatures really holding in the 30s. It's going to be another